What's going on, guys? So I don't know what today's video is going to be about aside from having the Mustang in it, because I have just totally neglected posting any videos about the Mustang. And I know there's probably a good chunk of y'all that like seeing the Mustang stuff. I know it needs to get washed. I know I need to go get some groceries. So maybe something, wash it, drive it around. I don't really know. Might be a boring little vlog thing, but I did want to get something with the Mustang today, so that's what we're going to do. So it has been raining and nasty all week. So the Mustang is absolutely gross. Inside and outside, and probably inside, yeah. Inside as well. So we definitely need to get her out, get her in the sun, cleaned up. Just enjoy this for a little bit. All right, I got y'all propped up about probably 25 yards away from the car and zoomed in really far. So hopefully the audio won't blow the speaker out, but let's find out. She's rowdy, definitely rowdy. And definitely very dirty. We're on a good back road, and I kind of just wanted to talk about the Mustang today. So where's it been? It's been the same place it always is. It's just I don't film much of it. Unfortunately, the Mustang just doesn't do very good. I mean, there's some videos that do really well, and I know I do all my videos just for fun, but if they don't get like good views, like they get like really bad views, it's really not motivating to make more videos. And honestly, I don't really know what to film about it. I mean, it's already pretty much done as far as I would want it. You know, I don't really know what do you all want to see. I know majority of my channel is truck enthusiasts, and that kind of stinks in the fact that I would love to post this because I absolutely love this car, but I don't really know what to showcase. So definitely leave me some feedback if there's something specific you want to see about it. I'm gonna do like I've got a couple different ideas just of ownership kind of style stuff, but I mean, listen, I mean, this thing is just that's just baby tapping it. I mean, and we're literally running on fumes right now, so I can't really romp anywhere at the moment until we get some gas, but just listen. 3,000. Sounds absolutely wicked, especially outside. I'm gonna try to figure out somewhere, you know, there's not, I mean, I live out in the country, but there's just not a ton of really good abandoned roads where I can prop up a phone or something. And I just need to get one of my buddies to come film, but I mean, everybody's busy these days, so it's not the easiest thing to do. But you know, and I feel bad. Like there's a ton of really nice roads, but there's houses on them. As far as a person that owns two very loud vehicles, I'm very respectful for people. I don't go around romping on it everywhere. I am very courteous of where houses are, and so that kind of makes filming areas kind of slim, because I don't want to be, you know, flying down roads or being loud or something and there's a house nearby. We've got 9 miles till empty, and I'm pretty close to that away from a gas station, because I refuse to go to the one closest to my house because it is like literally 20 cents more expensive all the time than anywhere else, and that's just highway robbery, so I'm not going to do that. So I always go over here to this other one. It's always Chevrons. That's pretty much what I only run in this car unless I have to get somewhere else. 8 miles now. And someone pulled out, this dude he came flying off the road, off of his driveway, pulled right out in front of me. I had to like apply the brakes pretty hard. I laid on the horn. He's like, oh, pulled out in front of somebody. So then he turned, and I had to romp on it a little bit, because you just have to do that. But so we're gonna be cutting it close. I've never ran out of gas, and typically these things give you a little bit more than what they say typically, but this is definitely going to be the closest I've ever been to running out of gas. So hopefully we'll make it. I'll update y'all on the way. So we are now at 5 miles till E. We are, let's see what we're doing. We're averaging 21 miles to the gallon. We're running about 75 right now. Could probably drive a little more gas saving, probably should. We're right under 2,000 RPMs, which, can we just appreciate Forza Extreme for a second? A car this loud, and we're sitting right under 2,000, right at 2,000 RPMs now. Zero drone, absolutely zero. So you pay a lot for them, but they're so worth it. I'm actually getting kind of genuinely worried now. 2 miles till E, and we are probably about 2 miles, maybe more, to the gas station. So it's getting a little sketchy. 1 mile till E. I can see the Chevron sign, but if this red light is red now, hopefully it will change by the time we get there. I'm kind of worried. This is getting sketchy. It's definitely the closest I've ever cut it, and I really don't want to run out of the gas on this main highway, because that would actually suck. It's showing 1 mile till empty. Red light caught us. It's just turned green. I've got to drive up a little bit, do a U-turn. I don't know what that guy was doing, being weird in his car. Trying to take it easy. Still says 1 mile. Fuel level low. 0 miles till empty. Okay, this is let's put it neutral. Okay, there's a gap. Get out of my way, everybody. We're gonna hang on. Bro, we've made it. We have made it. That was sketchy. That was not smart. I'll show you all the zero. Whew. We made it though. 0 miles till empty. That was sketchy. We got it though. Thank goodness. Let's turn this thing off. Whew. Hey, we hit 15,000 miles. Didn't even notice. Well, we tossed 30 bucks in there, and 272 miles on 30 bucks, which is 11.7 gallons. It's pretty good. Gas prices, I don't know if it's Trump, I don't know what it is, whoever it is, they need to keep it up. It's awesome. All right guys, I'm gonna put the camera up, try to get a little bit of exhaust sound. So just bear with me. Let's see how it is. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. I know it probably was not too entertaining, but I'm sure you got some good exhaust and a little bit of fun in the Mustang today. So I just wanted to get a video out on it because I just haven't posted anything about it, and I do really love this car. So y'all let me know if you like it, what you want to see. I'm going to do probably a 2-year ownership video coming up here pretty soon because I've almost had it for 2 years, which is crazy. And I want to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly about it. So look forward to that. But other than that, I'll catch you on the next video.